So round 7 begins. Kano has fought 6 or more rounds in each of his last 6 fights. While Theophane's record after 6 rounds is 10-3 with 4 wins inside the distance. Kano's corner not exactly pleased with his output, Paulie, and yet we seem to be maybe seeing a different fight.
Well, you know, he's got his father training, and a lot of times fathers know what their sons are capable of. They may be a little harder on them, and he wants them to work harder and put punches together. I think the father/trainer feels Theophane is ready to go, so he wants Kano to pick up the pace a little bit. You know, he's been banged around. He might be ready to go, but I don't know that Theophane is that ready to go yet, and he's proven it this round again, and he comes out a little feisty.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think actually Theophane has kind of found his second wind here, and has found a hook for the right hand, and that cut could be an important development in this fight, because we know it came from a punch, and of course if the fight would be stopped because of that cut, Kano would lose. But they've done a good job so far of keeping it under control.
Kano connected with an overhand right, but Theophane is picking up the pace. A lot more output. And there he connects with a right.
He's found the home for that looping right hand, right?